Let's dive right into the interesting world of food truck businesses. Imagine this. You've got a passion for food and a dream to start your own business. A food truck can be a great way to combine those two interests. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of starting a food truck business. If you're sitting there dreaming about venturing into the world of food business, a food truck might be your ticket. You get to be your boss, set your hours, and bring joy to people with your culinary creations. Now, before you start visualizing the long lines waiting to taste your special dishes, there are a couple of things you need to consider. First, let's talk about the budget. Now, the average cost to get a food truck up and running is between $50,000 and $60,000. I know, it seems like a big number, but don't fret. This includes everything from the truck, the kitchen setup, to the initial inventory. And here's a fun stat for you. The food truck industry was valued at well over $1 billion last year, with a yearly growth rate of about 6.8%. So, the potential here is huge. Next up, location. Your business is literally on wheels, which means you can explore different locations to find the best spot where your food is a hit. Consider places with high foot traffic, nearby offices, and shopping areas. But remember to comply with the local laws and get the necessary permits. In fact, our organization is standing by to supply you with the exact permits you need. All you'll need to do is visit legalregistration.com. Now, let's chat about the menu. Keep it simple, yet delightful. You want to offer a menu that's not only tantalizing, but also quick and easy to prepare in a confined space. Maybe you've got a family recipe that everyone raves about, or perhaps a fusion dish that no one can resist. Next on the list is marketing. In this digital age, you gotta have an online presence. Make sure to have active social media profiles where you can engage with your customers, post pictures of your delicious offerings, and keep them updated on your location and special promotions. Okay, let's touch on a very important aspect: health and safety. Ensure that your food truck maintains top-notch hygiene and safety standards. Regular health inspections will be a thing, so it's best to always be prepared. Finally, remember it's all about perseverance and continuous learning. The initial phase might be a bit rocky, but with time, you'll learn the ropes and get the hang of it. To get your food truck's licensing and registration set up quicker, just go to legalregistration.com, or you're welcome to call our experts at 877-955-7111. Also, what's your opinion on the steps in this video? Which one seems the most challenging to you? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to help your food truck make consistent profits.